Alright guys, just a quick video of the unboxing of the Eufy floodlight cam. Excuse the mess in the background, I've just moved into my new house. That's why we've got the new security system to put in. And we also got the battery powered Eufy doorbell. So yeah, here we go, let's get into it. Let's see what we've got in this package. Right, so it says you get the floodlight, obviously you get the installation hook, you get a mounting plate, you get the mounting screws, central cap, central screw, warning sticker and quick setup guide. This also offers free local storage, so you don't have to pay no monthly subscriptions. Everything is stored and backed up for good. You get military grade data security. Unlike Amazon Ring, they're a bit, you know, not as on top of security, and they can get hacked and stuff, so people save your data. We don't want that, we want privacy. You can turn night into day with the super bright lights that are obviously built into the top there. Let's have a little look. It's the first time opening it, I'm pretty excited to have a look at it. I need to get an electrician to come around and fit it for me. Let's move back a little bit. I ain't even got a seat, I'm sitting on the floor. Right, so package is gone. What have we got in here then? Right, so first, I think it's a box inside a box. Box inside a box. Yep, it's a box in a box. Woohoo! Right, so this will also help as well if you've already got one of these and you want to pack it away. I always do it as well. Watch unboxing videos so I know how to put stuff back, because sometimes when you open stuff you don't even know how to put it back in, or just don't want to go in. So you've got the circuit and the screws, which is the thing the light goes on there, I suppose. And you pull this thing off, and we've got, it's quite weighty. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. So you've got the things at the side, so you can just adjust here like this, and then you can adjust it so you can tighten it, so, and then which angle you want it. So it's got a bit of weight to it. Wow, it feels solid. What? Oh, it's actually metal. That's why it's got a lot of weight to it. It's actually metal. Wow, what a great bit of kit. Look at that. That's solid metal casing. Wow, that's great. And then you've got your live, your earth, and all that other crazy stuff. I'm not an electrician, so I won't be touching it. I'll be getting someone in. And then you've got your box. Not as many bits as the Ring one, the doorbell, but so you've got your hook and your bolt to attach it onto the wall. It goes through the middle, through that hole there, and then it goes onto the wall. So yeah, I think that's about it. Got your instructions, obviously. Instructions, you've got your sticker to let people know that you're monitoring them 24/7, so they don't try and get in the house, because if they do, you're gonna have to go crazy at them. So yeah, that is it, that's everything. But yeah, it feels amazing. The quality is, wow. I didn't think it was, well, you'd think it's going to be metal because obviously the rain and stuff, but yeah, great quality. I just hope the picture's as good as it says. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe guys. If you want any more unboxings of any product, let me know and I'll do it for you. Cheers.